In this video, I'll show you how to change your Hostinger email profile picture. First, go to hostinger.com and sign into your account. Once you're on your dashboard, click on Emails and find the domain-linked email account you want to update. Click on Manage Email Account. Then click on Open Webmail. Hostinger uses Titan Mail for most accounts, or Roundcube for some older plans. Either way, the process is similar. Once you're inside your webmail, look for the Settings or Profile icon in the top right corner. Click on it and go to Settings. From there, select Profile and then click on Edit Profile. You'll see the option to upload or change your profile photo. Click on Change Picture or Upload New Photo. Choose a clear, square image in JPEG or PNG format. Make sure the file is under 5 megabytes. Once you've selected your image, crop or adjust it as needed and click Save or Apply Changes. Your new profile picture is now set. It will appear on your outgoing emails if the recipient's email client supports profile photos. If your old photo is still showing, refresh your webmail or clear your browser cache. Keep in mind that email clients like Gmail or Outlook may take a few hours to update and show your new profile picture. That is how you do it.